வணக்கம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து வாய் எப்படி வரைகிறது அப்படிங்கிறது, மவுத்து எப்படி ஈஸியாக வரையலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம பார்ப்போம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு you have to draw the line, straight line, then this one. Okay, here in the center you see like this, just to one V shape. Then here also like this. Then from here you have to draw a little gap. The same distance you have to draw like this here also. Then you have to join like this. Then below take little, then you draw on this one. Like this, then you draw like this. See, very easy now. Then after complete this, you have to rub lightly. Then you draw like this. See, very easy, Then you have to practice. இந்த மவுத் வரைகிறது ஒன்று இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்ங்க. இந்த மவுத்தோட கரெக்ட் பொசிஷன் எங்கே வரைகிறது, மூஞ்சியில் ஃபேஸில் வந்து கரெக்டாக எப்படி வரைகிறது அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து நம்ம பார்ப்போம். Draw rectangle. Okay. Then divided into this one. Then divided into 3 equal parts. See, forehead line, eyebrow line, forehead line, nose line, chin line. Right? Very easy. Now you draw the eyebrow. Then face, eye. Then nose. Here, easy. Then mouth. That is very important, mouth. This 1/3 you have to draw a line like this. After that, in between the center position, from there you have to draw the line like this. Cross line. This end, this is the end of the mouth, both sides. Then you have to draw the mouth. See, this is the correct position of the mouth. Then you draw like this. Very easy, After complete, you rub it and then you draw the correct position. This is the face. All the parts of the mouth. Separate, you have to practice. Then you have to join it and do it. Okay, thank you.